welcome back to my channel. Well, this is the part 2 of Game of Life episodes. So in my last video I have discussed about what is Game of Life, why life should be taken, what is the base of life. So and now today I am going to discuss about why we should take life as a game. What is the reason behind this and why I am saying that life should not be taken too seriously. So here I will be starting by my last episodes, few things that I have discussed, that in life we are going to go through difficult times as well, and after that we achieve our success. So the times we go through, the difficult times, the problematic times that we face is generally the direction of life or universe. As we say, universe conspires. So here also this is to be taken as universe conspiration to make us successful. If we are not going to get the difficult situation, we are never going to success in life. We are never going to get what we deserve, because once we go through the difficult situation we tend to understand, our awareness grows, our mind becomes more active, realization happens. After that we start to take our life a bit in a serious note, but life should not be taken totally in a playful manner, but things that we are doing, we should be responsible, and at the same time we should be playful. That too much of seriousness is not good, too much of nothing is good in this nature. As you take example, if you eat some of your favorite foods, there is a time that you are no more able to eat it, your utility diminishes. If you love mangoes, you would rather eat one mango, then your utility will reduce when you take the second one. When you take the third one, your utility reduces more, or maybe after that you will stop taking mangoes for that day at least. So likewise, nothing is too much or too less good for us. So of course there has to be some limit. So in life, of course, we have to understand that problems and success would be there, because if there isn't day, there isn't night. You can't understand the essence of night unless there is a daytime. Unless there is black, you cannot understand the white, importance of white. So unless there is something good, you will not understand what is bad, or what is bad. If isn't there bad things, you won't understand the essence of good. So of course everything has its own importance, everything has its own value. So nothing to be fear about problems that we face in life. Rather, we should understand that life is a game. Of course life is a game. If you thoroughly try to analyze your life, you can understand problems are there. Well, here I will give you an example. When I was staying in Ahmedabad, I had lots of time. There were days I didn't get proper food because I was not a very good cook, and my my guardians there were not very much supportive at that time, where my parents were in Kolkata and I had a lot of problem coming here because of the distance. But I used to regret that this kind of situations, that oh God, why did I have so much bad people in my life, why did I have so much problems in my life. Later on, when I found, after few years, 2-3 years, I found that because I had that problem, my senses activated, my mind activated to understand the persons I am living with, what is their problem. Basically they have a lot of problems within themselves. They have nothing to dream in life, they have nothing to do in life, so rather they are going to waste others' life. So they are not going to understand what life means, what is the essence of life. Life should be taken as playful manner, but it's not that you take life as a joke. Never take life as a joke. So later I found that I'm doing some activities to make myself happy or engage my brain to understand, to get to a better level in life. I started nurturing myself to get a good personality, so that I can stand in the society, so that I can talk to people, so that I can make good connections, so that I can make good friends, I can socialize. So all of this comprises that situation. All of these are all of the root of these situations is that bad situation. If I weren't put in that bad situation, if I weren't put in that cage, I would never understand what is freedom. I would never understand the essence of freedom. So this way life should be taken as a game. Life is something that where you come, you experience, and you implement those of your experiences in life, and then you implement them, and then you get success. So life is all about cherishing your every moments. Be it a sad moment, if you can intellectually enjoy your sad moments, you are the happiest or creative person in life. Because when you are going to have your happy time, definitely you are going to enjoy. If you can pass on your sad times smoothly, you can definitely enjoy your happy moments. Definitely that is a big quality rarely found in human beings, but once people develop this quality, people are going to be the happiest one in life. They are going to make their life a remarkable one, and people are going to take their examples on every aspect of their life. So in life we do a lot of mistakes. Another thing is that we do a lot of mistakes, but nothing to regret. When you are doing these mistakes in the first time, in the first stage of your life, of course it's something you don't know, so nothing to be regret. The thing is that you should not make that mistakes repeatedly. You should rather try to overcome that problems and try to bring solutions to that situation. You can make mistakes every day, but you try to make some new mistakes and try to learn from them, try to correct them. The process of learning starts from your making mistakes, because if you don't make mistakes, you won't have the urge to learn in life. You won't understand what's the problem in life, or what's the essence of life, what's the happiness of life. So rather, don't be too much horrified with life that, oh God, this is a life and I'm to regret. Nothing to regret. The moments, whatever comes in your life, it's rather to regret. One should enjoy those moments, because we are the persons, we are the human beings gifted with brains to cherish this life, to come here in this life to work, experience, learn and cherish. But most people, what they do is they earn money. They have just the focus in life to earn money, to achieve something, to maintain family. But in the end, they found that they are not happy anywhere, not they can make their families happy. Because happiness is not complete with money. You can buy happiness with money. You can buy your luxuries with money. You can buy your basic needs with money. So money we need, but in a limited quantity. Too much of money doesn't make us happy. This is a wrong conception. So life to be taken as a playful manner. Every moment should be enjoyed. And once you start doing these things, you would be the happiest person in this world. So nothing to be regret about mistakes you make. Nothing to be about the problems you have. Problems are the friends. Problems are your friends in life, because they make you grow. Once you are sitting in your home doing nothing, if you have a good background, if you have everything, food, clothing, house, everything, and if you have nothing to do, you don't need to work, you don't need to go out, you can do everything. Nowadays you can get your stuffs at your doorstep by paying